Join me as I challenge myself to try out 10 amazing ways chamomile tea can change my life and see if it really lives up to the hype. Did you know that drinking chamomile tea can improve your sleep quality by up to 33%? Stay tuned, because today we're exploring the incredible powers hidden in this simple cup of tea. Chamomile tea has been a beloved remedy for countless generations, cherished for its calming effects across cultures for centuries. But why is it so popular? And better yet, what can it do for you? Well, grab your favorite mug and settle in, because we're about to discover the top 10 life-changing benefits of chamomile tea. Before we dive deeper, make sure to stick around for a game-changing tip at the end that you won't want to miss. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become an almost constant companion. Many people wake up with a to-do list spilling over, only to go to bed thinking about unfinished tasks. According to the American Psychological Association, over 2/3 of Americans report that work is a significant source of stress, and it's no wonder this contributes to trouble sleeping. Insomnia affects about 30% of adults, causing frustration and fatigue that carry into the next day. But sleep isn't the only issue. Digestive problems, ranging from bloating to upset stomachs, can arise as the body reacts to stress and poor dietary habits. Interestingly, stress and poor digestive health have a symbiotic relationship, exacerbating each other. When your mind is under pressure, your digestive system may suffer the consequences. This is known as the gut-brain axis, demonstrating how interconnected our bodily systems truly are. In addition to stress and digestive issues, immune health can decline. Harvard Medical School reports that chronic stress can suppress the immune system, increasing our susceptibility to illnesses. As modern individuals, there's an overwhelming number of prescriptions and over-the-counter drugs touted as quick fixes for these concerns. However, many people are seeking natural remedies, tired of relying on synthetic medicines that can come with a slew of side effects. This quest to retreat to nature is about finding balance and promoting holistic health, hence the growing interest in herbal solutions like chamomile tea. Chamomile, a herb frequently called upon when natural calm is needed, promises restoration and aids with many ailments. The genus Matricharia, chamomile's scientific name, hints at its traditional use for matter of the womb, indicating antiquity's understanding of its calming proprieties and application during menstrual discomfort. In light of this, creating a simple habit of tea drinking may provide ease to the stresses most affecting one's lifestyle today. To tap into the soothing benefits of chamomile, make it part of your daily routine when the sun sets and relaxation begins. Boil water and let the chamomile flowers steep for about 5 minutes, releasing inviting aromas that signal your senses to relax. Replacing evening caffeine or alcoholic beverages with chamomile can promote healthier habits that prepare you for restorative sleep and overall better health. More than a comforting ritual, this herbal tea offers tangible health benefits, becoming vastly pertinent as we navigate the daily grind, seeking solace and wholeness. By standing on the threshold of ancient wisdom and modern science, exploring chamomile tea offers a compelling and natural solution. Hey, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more content that helps you live your best life. Let's unfold the incredible benefits of chamomile tea, grounded in science and living testimony. First, let's delve into sleep improvement. A study published in the Journal of Advanced Nursing indicated that postpartum women who consumed chamomile tea reported better sleep quality compared to those who didn't and showed reduced symptoms of depression. Apigenin, an antioxidant found in chamomile, binds to benzodiazepine receptors in the brain, calming the nervous system and promoting sleep. Second, chamomile tea's calming properties work wonders for stress reduction. It acts as an anxiolytic, helping to reduce feelings of anxiety and promote tranquility. Take a moment before a hectic workday. Allow your mind to relax over a warm cup of chamomile to better face challenges with a cool and collected demeanor. Moving to digestive health, chamomile tea can be beneficial. With its anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties, chamomile helps soothe the muscles of the intestines, reducing pain from bloating and allowing improved digestion. It's a comforting after-meal drink that aids your system naturally. Next up is immune support. Chamomile possesses antimicrobial properties that can boost the immune system, protecting against common colds and infections. Regular consumption can strengthen your defenses during the flu season, making chamomile a beloved ally during chilly weather. Addressing skin health, chamomile's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties are effective. Chamomile tea, when applied topically, can help calm skin irritation and redness, A gentle chamomile compress may ease dryness and promote a youthful glow. Menstrual pain can also be reduced with chamomile tea. It relaxes uterine muscles and reduces the severity of period cramps. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showcased its effectiveness in reducing discomfort and improving emotional well-being during menstrual cycles. Next on the roster is heart health, with flavonoids contributing to lowering blood pressure and circulating bad cholesterol levels. Chamomile supports cardiovascular wellness. Incorporate a cup daily to make a heart-smart choice for your lifestyle. Moreover, chamomile tea supports eye care. As a cool compress, it reduces eye puffiness and can comfort those suffering from irritations, helpful after long screen time durations. In terms of oncology support, the antioxidants in chamomile have been under study for potential cancer-fighting properties. While more research is ongoing, it may aid in boosting overall resilience to disease by maintaining immune function. Finally, chamomile can aid in balancing blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Endocrinological Investigation found that participants who drank chamomile tea with meals had better blood sugar control compared to those who consumed a placebo. This sweet sip adds not just flavor, but also value in diabetes management and overall metabolic health. Actionables tips to make these benefits more tangible. Start a tea time ritual today. Sip as a midday pause or as your evening unwind. Experiment with skincare by dipping cotton balls in cooled chamomile tea as part of your beauty regimen. Remember, consistency in use reaps greater rewards, inviting you to express self-care and mindfulness daily. Perhaps the most transformative aspect of chamomile tea lies in its capacity to enhance mental well-being and clarity, making it not just a beverage but an inspiring daily ritual. It is easy to feel mired by daily obligations, but here is where chamomile stands out. Imagine nurturing your mental wellness with a simple cup each day, shifting from a stressed perception to a balanced and focused mind. Renowned for its properties to foster mental calm, experts underscore chamomile tea's profound effect amidst rising societal stress. The Journal of Phytomedicine highlights how chamomile's epigenin has a relaxing effect on the mind, which decreases anxiety symptoms through modulation. This means it not only helps alleviate anxiety shortly after consumption, but can also foster resilience over time, allowing more substantial management of anxiety and enhanced emotional regulation. Moreover, the bridging of mindful lifestyle practices with natural remedies together amplifies personal fulfillment. Regular time stealing or meditative moments with a cup of chamomile tea can serve as intentional signals to the mind to decompress and reflect. This approach encourages living holistically, where one takes agency over their stress responses to elevate their quality of life. Engaging with chamomile enthusiasts reveals stories that present the profound transformation this simple tea brings. Users report sustained peace and transparency in thinking processes. For students before exams, professionals in heavy workloads, or caregivers balancing multiple roles, chamomile offers solace that grounds and supports. Intertwining chamomile tea with mindful breathing exercises or journaling after your evening cup ups the returns. This setting of tranquil rituals not only controls stress but fosters growth and reflection. Exploring the best time and way to integrate chamomile, whether steeped longer for a richer infusion or blended with other botanicals, customizes it to your palate and mood. It encapsulates blending self-care with crafted herbal wisdom. To recap, chamomile tea is not just a drink. It's a full package ally for transforming sleep, reducing stress, aiding digestion, boosting your immune and heart health, supporting your skin, and so much more. These benefits make chamomile tea a must-have in your daily routine. Start steeping and sipping today to unlock its full potential. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite tea? Or do you have a story about how chamomile has helped you? Drop a comment below. Hit that subscribe button and kickstart your path to a vibrant, energetic, and balanced lifestyle. And don't forget to check out our next video on other herbal remedies to keep your wellness journey going strong. Thanks for watching.